Life Over Coffee. Conversations for transformation.
The Bible is not a parenting book, which is why it gives so little parenting advice. The Bible is a relationship book, and rather than providing you with parenting tips, it provides you with a plethora of information about how to have great relationships within any community construct, whether it's marriage, families, churches, businesses, friends, or neighbors. For example, 1 Corinthians 11:1, Paul said, "Be imitators of me as I am of Christ." If you want your child to learn how to live in and enjoy wonderful relationships, your primary goal must be to show them the one who perfected relational living. He is Christ. You want them to be Christ-like. Every Christian parent wants their children to be an authentic and maturing representation of Jesus Christ, which leads to an important question. What is the most effective way to teach your child how to be like Jesus? You export your life to them. You must become a living, breathing, walking example of what you want your child to become. Parents should not be parenting as much as they should be exporting their marriage relationship to their children. Truthfully, parents are exporting their marriage relationship to their children, whether the parents know it or not, because there is no other option. The real question is, what is your marriage teaching your child about relationships? Children spend nearly 20 years soaking in the lives of their parents while making determinations all along as to whether they want to emulate what they are absorbing. Living in a relationship is why the most effective parenting is not how to parent better, but how to relate well to your spouse. Every spouse can display before their children how to effectively live with another sinner. And no sinner is closer to you than your spouse. The powerful impact of a stable marriage becomes your most effective training tool. Your children will observe you doing the very thing that you want them to do as they create their future community relationships. Your marriage is a visual expression of what it means to love God and someone else supremely. If you have not been a good model of what it means to relate well with another person, specifically you have not lived biblically well with your spouse, today is the day for you to change. Ideally, both spouses should repent mutually, but that is rarely the case. Usually one spouse becomes more aware of the negative effects of their marriage on the children long before the other spouse sees these things. If you're the only one willing to live an authentic Christian life before your children, I appeal to you to do it. You must actively, daily, and practically live out what you want everyone in your home to be, including your wayward spouse. Give your child a good picture that will be different from any poor images in your home. Ask the Father to give you the grace and the boldness to give your children that portrait. In a perfect world, both parents realize their imperfect exportation of Christ to their children. They see how it led to a confused and frustrating picture for their kids to emulate. This kind of parental failure motivates humble and broken parents to fix the marriage, but as you know, we do not live in a perfect world. Let's take some time to parent. Number one, what have you taught your children about how to relate well with another sinner, specifically your spouse? Number two, if you have not done a decent job emulating Christ to your children, what will you do to change today? This is Parenting Devotion, day number 2, good marriages that we export to our children.
Thanks for joining us. Learn more and get access to other resources at lifeovercoffee.com.